Okay, I'd like to say the government, the Prime Minister, the MPs, you keep bringing in the cheating Labour foreigners, and I got a good idea. Why don't we cut the English benefit down and get them to work without work? Let them pay more council tax, so we can pay less council tax and the social people can pay more. And how would they survive? Because they wouldn't get much, would they? And all these foreigners, I don't blame them coming over, but I don't agree with it, but we ain't got no choice. They do come over to work. And how many of them come over on the benefits as well? Not all of them work, half of them come in just on the benefits. And they get paid by the government. Anyway, I'll tell you about the winter. It's not going to be the hardest winter since 1963, because it should have been here now. The snow in 1963, it was -17. And what it is now, it is 50 Fahrenheit. And the ground temperature is 9 centigrade, but there's no sign for a hard winter. But there'll be frost coming in this week, and nice blue skies for people to look at. But that don't mean we're going to see some snow. We will see the snow roughly around about 25th of January, or by the end of January, beginning of February. And it's going to be the hardest February for many years. We hadn't had a cold February since 1979. Was the last time we had a hard February. Anyway, what's this stupid Prime Minister doing? She's not doing a thing at all. She's trying to be like Maggie Thatcher, but she's not doing a thing. I think she should resign, and so they should start all over again and scrap all the old MPs and have fresh ones. Have some new ideas how to get these people on the dole to work. Earn their money. Why don't they go out and do the sweeping up the path and clean the paths and earn their money from sweeping and cleaning all the weeds off the paths? That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? So they are earning their money from their dole money. And so they might even get £10 extra by the government if they do that. They used to do it that way, but they stopped it. I think they should bring it back and make them earn their money. Don't matter if they just do 8 hours a week, but at least they're earning their dole money. And all these sickness people thinking they're on the... I got one in the town called Steve Blackburn. Always on the walking stick, was nothing wrong with him, but he just tried to make out he's ill. That's okay, not to worry. He ain't a bad boy, he's a good bloke, but he likes to go on the paper all the time, photos with his girlfriend. Not to worry, that's how it goes. Okay, for the New Year weather forecast, it's going to start off sunny spells, and then by the end of by Wednesday it's going to get even colder, and Thursday colder, and there'll be blue skies coming in, and following that, the week after that, it will be getting milder and still touch of cold air. Have a happy New Year, and before I go, I got something here. Enjoy your good year evening, and don't drink too much. I don't drink much now like I used to. I used to get drunk on New Year's Day, but now when you get to reach the age of 30, you begin to half your age these days, don't we? And so it makes a happy new year. And God bless you all and get all the dull people working. And before I go, remember Gordon Brown. Gordon Brown. He closed one of the best banks in the world. And what's happening to all these banks anyway? Where's everybody going to get their money from if they close all the banks? And what if they get all this? And also, they ought to stop all this building because they are destroying the wildlife. The council and the government are destroying the wildlife. Not only the farmers, the MPs, the government, and even so, the building people. And I think they ought to stop building too many in wrong places. And where's the bypass going to be in Crediton now? Now they're thinking about building where it's supposed to be. So the bypass in Crediton is never going to happen. So in Devon. So enjoy your new year and have a splendid new year. By the fish.